I was asked to zoom in on the scope. So they're zooming in on the oscilloscope. And what I'm about to do is measure my variations in magnetic field inside the 0 Gauss chamber. That little ripple you see is 60 Hertz. That's everywhere in the room, even inside the chamber, but it's very small. Now this is at 20 millivolts per division, 4.2 volts equates to 100 Gauss or 10 millitesla, and minus 4.2 volts is minus 10 millitesla. All right, so I'm going to call out what I'm doing while I'm doing it. That is the reading at about the middle of the chamber. As soon as I grabbed it, the ripple went up. And okay, now we're at the top middle of the chamber. Hardly any change. All the way down at the bottom middle of the chamber. Again, no change. All the way to the west side of the chamber, west side top, east side top, east side bottom, north side top, north side bottom, south side top, south side bottom. And see, inside the chamber, there's not a lot of variation in the field. So that's pretty good. Now in that little blip right there, that's now I'm outside the chamber. So you can see it got higher. Sorry about that. Phone fell over. But yeah, that was with it. This is with it outside the chamber. This is down in the narrow passage between the chambers, between the cylinders. Doesn't make much difference. It's about the same as it is inside the cylinder. So the non-uniformity isn't coming from the ambient. So now I gotta find out if the non-uniformity is coming from the assembly. Anyway, let me just show you what I was doing here. Okay, so here's my chamber. And this is my magnetic probe that I put together. I'm just going from bottom to top. And then we have west, east, north, south, north, whatever. In any case, we saw there wasn't much variation at all. And still that's the case. I'm looking at the scope over there, and there's very little variation no matter where I put the probe or which orientation I give it. Again, it's a 2-axis probe. Tried making it 3-axis and put the darn third one on backwards, so oh well, it's 2-axis. So that's where I'm at. Now I gotta figure out what can I do with this assembly to make it more uniform. So first thing, I'm taking out the main coil, pre-polarizing coil. That's out now. And then this is the shim coil, which worked really nice. Shims it any which way I want it. So those two coils are out now. And this is what I have left. So I'm gonna test just this and see how, quote, good or bad it is. So, wish me luck.